Welcome to the myFIMS Printing web print tutorial presented by the FIMS Graduate Library. A link to the first video in this instructional mini-series can be found in the description box below. In addition to printing from a FIMS computer, you can also print from your personal laptop or mobile device using WebPrint. Please note that WebPrint has fewer printing preferences and settings than printing from a FIMS computer allows. For instance, you cannot print double-sided via WebPrint, and it does not support file types such as pages or numbers. To access WebPrint, visit the FIMS Grad Library website at lib.fims.uwo.ca and select myFIMS Printing from the top menu bar or the Quick Links menu. Next, click on the myFIMS Printing link, which will redirect you to the PaperCut login page, where you can enter your FIMS username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your summary page, which allows you to check your account balance. Click on WebPrint from the menu bar along the left-hand side of the screen, then follow the prompts on the screen. First, click Submit a Job, then select your desired printer and whether you want to print in black and white or color. Next, click Print Options and Account Settings, then Upload Documents. On this page, you can upload or drag files from your computer to print. While a variety of different file formats are accepted, we recommend uploading your files as PDFs when using WebPrint. Next, click Upload and Complete. Once submitted, you will be redirected to a page that displays the status of your print job, including the time that it was submitted, which printer it has been sent to, and the cost. Under Status, you can click Print to automatically release the item, or you can go to the printer that you selected and tap your Western One card. Please note that WebPrint might take longer to process than printing from a FIMS computer. If a WebPrint job doesn't work, watch the printer troubleshooting tutorial linked below, stop by the FIMS Grad Library, or check out our website at lib.fims.uwo.ca for frequently asked questions.